I was doing a sound check this other day, and I was thinking how a sound check isn't a sound check anymore. 'Cause who uses checks? So maybe now it's a sound debit card, or maybe it's a sound credit card, or maybe it's a sound Venmo, or maybe it's a sound PayPal, or maybe it's a sound Cash App. But does anybody really use checks anymore? And is it gonna be sound Bitcoin, or maybe later sound computer chip? And then will that be the mark of the beast? Sound mark of the beast. Sound mark of the beast. And are you gonna take the sound mark of the beast? Sound mark of the beast.